The happiest day in my life. The happiest day in my life was my 32nd birthday. A couple of years ago, my brother was out of a regular job. He used to work for months and he barely came home for years. But that year was different. He was trying to start a business and stop working in oil fields. He was spending much more time in home. My mom was happy and I was happy she felt like that. And that day he took me to the business and gave me a tour to understand what was happening in the company. We had breakfast with some clients of him, and at noon we went back home to pick up our mom and headed straight to the restaurant. We ate together after many years. She was so happy. At night we were still together and went to get some drinks and spent most of the day together. That was the happiest day in my life.